Oh, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. This video will be a chit chat quickly about removing social media. I was talking about this removing social media apps from my phone, but I re-downloaded Instagram as I told you before because it's related or linked to my YouTube channel, so it's kind of important for me, and I downloaded the WhatsApp after I deleted it because it's related to a very specific person, like my mom, my family, like my mom's sister, and work stuff. So I had to but I'm trying my best not to have a lot of contact with people on it, just for the urgent stuff and work stuff only. And the other thing that I still don't I didn't download the Facebook app. I'm linking my Instagram to my Facebook page, which is like when I share something on the Instagram, it's shared on my Facebook page. I found out sometimes it's just shared on my profile, but I just trying my best to focus on this because removing the app make a little bit of glitch, I guess, or glitch in the sharing process. I don't know, but anyway, I'm trying my best not to go to Facebook right now, and I feel so much better actually by doing this. So in this video I'm gonna talk about if you can't remove the Facebook or you can't remove the social media apps, you have to keep them on your phone and you need to interact with people. The alternative thing to do that, if you want to improve your focus, improve your life, improve your vibes, and don't go in that drain of shit, is to choose the people that you are following and make sure that when you hold your phone and enter any social media app like Facebook, Twitter, whatever you are using, you are following good stuff, motivation, high vibes, things that makes you think, that makes you motivated, and things makes you in a very good vibe, in a very good energy, and that do this for people like your friends, and also for the pages and the groups that you are following, on Facebook, for example. Most of the stuff that I have on Facebook, on Instagram, and TikTok, sometimes TikTok will just share some shit in front of me, but I know that I don't want to see that, so I just scroll until I find something funny, for a filter or something, because I want to increase my presence on TikTok, because I really want to go in this TikTok world, because it will help me in the YouTube and Instagram, of course. I'm not a TikTok girl. I am a YouTuber from years and years. I am a YouTube girl. It's my main focus, my main thing. But why not? I just use it to be to have another presence in another platform. Of course, there's a lot of people there, so maybe I can take some of the audience with me to YouTube and Instagram. So I'm using it just for this, not to scrolling endlessly, wasting hours and hours. I just go there because I really want to do something very specific, like what I'm doing now. I'm using the filter on the TikTok because it's very good actually. So I'm using it to record that video so I can upload it to my YouTube channel. So that's the point, that I am having a target for the stuff that I really want to do, and just focus on this target and not going drifting my mind to other things that need practice. So if it's hard for you at the beginning, you need to remove all social media if you want to focus on yourself and regain your power and not wasting a lot of time, because actually at first when I removed Facebook, especially Facebook, because I am a Facebook girl, I found out I had a lot of time to do a lot of things that it was wasted in scrolling endlessly, following news and stuff and seeing unhealthy things. Still, even when you are social media, sometimes you're gonna see unhealthy things, especially the last month, the war in Palestine, Israel, it's next door. So it just makes me so like want to know what's going on just next door of us. So, and then I decided, no, I don't want to see or hear anything. I want to gain my focus. I found like I'm drained and my energy is just wasted for nothing. I just want to focus on myself right now, focus on my well-being and my inner peace, and that will really help to improve the environment around me, and hence improve the environment around me. So it's kind of a very wide thing to talk about, but if you can't, or if you need to have social media apps and you really want to gain, take back your time, take back your energy, just follow the people and give you good advice, follow the people give you good vibes, follow the pages and groups and stuff that give you motivation and good energy, high vibes, advices, quotes. All these stuff really helps a lot to improve. So you're not wasting your time when you are having your phone and just scrolling in social media for Instagram. For example, for me now, Instagram, I follow a lot of pages, a lot of profiles on Instagram, and give me good advice, make me focus on my target. Just I am focused now on the stuff that I really want to do, and if my mind begins to drift and I begin to wasted in the scrolling, I found something just in front of my face, just take me back to my mind again, and just okay, now I know, so stop. I just didn't waste my time. I just take it, have a little bit of fun, and in the same time have motivation, and I see something, listen to a video or reel, makes me feel better, and in the same time give me the advice or the motivation that I needed in this moment to go to the next step or the next thing I want to do. So this is a really good advice. I do this from a while, and I begin to do it more right now as I deleted the Facebook app. I don't interact with friends, just a little bit. I really want to focus 100% on myself, regaining my power and feeling myself, and I feel better every single day. Of course, I interact with people. I feel better when I am going out. I'm feeling better when I'm interacting with my friends. I'm feeling better when I'm talking to my mom, just in a very good vibe. So I can give people around me, the people who matters to me, a good vibes and good feeling of love and peace, and spread that all around me, because this is my purpose in life. I want to be in this state, to be the light for the people who really love and really care about, to give them the love and peace, the joy that they really need, and of course they will give it back to me. So it's something very important for me. So try this. If you can't delete any social media, you still in this rut of all the things happen and you are scrolling endlessly. If you're gonna scroll on social media, try your best to scroll on stuff that will really give you a good quality informations and motivations in your life. You will feel a huge difference in no time. So try this, and I really hope this video chit chat help you in somehow to make your life better and nicer. I love you so much. Have a lot of peace and love and joy in this life, because life is good. Live it in every minute, in every moment. It's different, and it's inevitable. It's perfect in its own way. So live your life fully and have a great day. Bye.